Let's be honest. Everyone loves finger foods. Chicken, ribs, chips, they're delicious. But there's one problem, the mess. Sticky fingers, greasy hands, and stains on your clothes or phone. Nobody likes that. That's why we created mini finger tongs. A simple, fun, reusable solution that lets you enjoy all your favorite finger foods without a mess. Mini finger tongs are small ergonomic clips that fit right on your fingers, allowing you to grab food naturally, just like you're eating with your hands but keeping your fingers completely clean. They're made of a safe, reusable, and food grade materials that are easy to wash and durable for everyday use. The best part? You still get the satisfying hands on eating experience, only cleaner, smarter, and a lot more convenient. The problem we're solving is simple but universal. People love finger foods but hate the sticky aftermath. Napkins don't always work, gloves feels awkward, tongues just don't give that same finger feel feeling. Mini finger tongues bridge that gap. They keep your hands clean while still giving you the full enjoyment of eating with your fingers. Our main target customers are families with kids, snack lovers, and cleanliness conscious consumers. Parents can use them for their kids at home or on the go. Teenagers can use them for snacks or wing during parties. And even adults will find them useful at barbecue, picnics, or while gaming. We plan to sell through online platforms like Amazon, Temu, eBay, Etsy, where over 70% of consumers now shop. We'll also partner with local food businesses that serve different kinds of finger foods to provide customers a unique and hygienic dining experience. Plus, we'll explore collaborations with snack companies to include mini finger tongs as a fun bundled item. Mini finger tongs create value in three different ways. Functional, they keep your hands clean and your eating experience hassle free. Social, they are reusable and eco friendly, helping to reduce plastic waste from disposal. Emotional, they make eating more fun, convenient, and family friendly. It's not just a tool, it's an experience that makes eating cleaner and more enjoyable for everyone. Mini finger tongs redefined how we enjoy food. They're practical, sustainable, and surprisingly fun. With strong market potential and a growing demand for reusable, innovative lifestyles products, we believe mini finger tongs can easily find their place in households. So if you believe that even small innovations can make everyday life better, join us in bringing mini finger tongs to every table. Because with mini finger tongs, you can finally enjoy messy food with clean hands.